Hello, what's up you guys? So sorry for the ugly lighting, the ugly everything, but you're in my car and it's light, which by the way, welcome back to the Mini Cooper. Jesus Christ, these speed things are stupid. So what we're gonna do today is order some food. I'm gonna try the Impossible Whopper. Can I get the Impossible Whopper meal, please?
And is everything on your Impossible Whopper okay?
Yes.
And did you want to make that a medium or a large?
A large.
And your drink?
Coke.
Okay, anything else?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Can I have a name for your order?
Kathleen.
That'll be at 984 at the first window.
Okay, thank you. So yes, guys, this is what we're doing. I don't know if this is the first day of this whole Impossible Whopper. Sorry, I gotta do everything. I gotta get my card. I just got out of work, that's why it's so late. But I'm pretty sure this is the first day of this whole thing. And I just thought, you know what? My husband is not home because he's still gone with the... Sorry, I'm totally flashing my credit card to you guys. Okay. So he's not home because he's still gone with the army. He's coming back in 2 days, so yee. But I thought might as well do a mukbang and hang out with you guys while I try this new thing. Thank you. Thank you, you too. Alrighty. So that's done. I'm always worried, especially this car is tiny, but when I say tiny, it's like I feel like I'm driving a toy. I always feel that I'm not gonna be able to reach the window and look stupid. Like obviously I don't have a giant truck. So yeah, I forgot to mention it to you because I haven't really updated anything on anything. But I got this Mini Cooper and it's a convertible and it's cute and I love it. But yeah. So I'm not gonna eat in the car. I'm gonna take you guys home because you at least deserve that. I really wanted to try the Impossible Whopper because I'm not a vegetarian or a vegan. I am a flexitarian, which some will bitch about, but don't care. Which means that I will sometimes eat a vegetarian or a vegan options on the menu because I like them or I think they're better for the environment. So I do want to support a company like Burger King when they come out with something good. That would be bringing out an Impossible Whopper. So I've been watching all these videos before and I've always wanted to do it, but I didn't live in America and now I live in America, so apple bougie. Don't mind me over here. I'm sorry for the ugly angle, but that's all we can do for now.
What's the name of your order?
Kathleen.
Yeah.
Thank you. That is enormous for a soda. Still never gonna get used to that. Thank you, you too. Thank you. You know guys, I'm just hoping this is gonna help like some people just come to Burger King, show their appreciation for them trying something out of their comfort zone. Plus like the Impossible Burger in general is like bomb ass. So like I've had it at the Cheesecake Factory and it's really good. Like first time I had it, I had stopped meat for like 3 months and I felt sick eating it because it really just felt like meat. But anyway, I need the GPS to get home, so see you when I get home. Alright guys, let's have a Trisha Paytas moment. But I quite differ from Trisha Paytas. I don't chuck the whole can of drink while I eat my food. Can't be me, will never be me. Anyway, it's been 15 minutes since I went there because it's about 10 minutes away from my house and I wanted to change. So hopefully the food is still good and they didn't mess up my order and give me like an actual meat order, like an actual Whopper. The fries are still good, like hot, so. Alright, I'm so excited for this. Ever since they announced it, wherever I saw it, I was freaking out. So that's that. Welcome to my living room with my crooked ass iPhone and my asshole cat who wants everything and who thinks the world belongs to him. So just so you know, my house and my couch isn't crooked. It's my tripod. Who's got time for that? Anyway. Guys, I had a day. If y'all don't know, I work. Hello. I contribute to society. I work at Hobby Lobby. Love the place. But we do work. And so I'm tired. So, look at the burger. It smells like a regular Whopper. I haven't had a Whopper in a long time because usually I get the double stacker or whatever. Something similar. I'm usually not one to open my burger, but I'll do it for you. Take a good look. Won't happen again. It doesn't exactly look like the Impossible Burger from... maybe it does. I don't know. But honestly, it's freaking me out, guys. It looks like real beef. Are we ready? And for once, I did not make any alteration to the item that I order, because usually when it comes to a burger, I never order as is. I always remove something. I'm so tired, you guys. I'm tired and I'm hyped, which is a bad combo for me because then I look like I'm on crack. Anyway, let's eat this. Okay, this is really good. I don't see the difference. I really don't. Am I gonna become the next mukbang channel and then do collabs with Nikado Avocado and Trisha Paytas? Maybe, who knows? But look at this bleeding ass burger. Can you see? You can't because of the lighting. Whatever. This is so good. So good. So good. So I was clearly not prepared for this because I usually never sit on the floor. And like the camera is like the worst angle ever. I look like YouTubers back in 2012, how they didn't know how to frame shit. Well, that's me. But then, homegirl is always prepared. I have my cute little basket with my salt, my pepper flakes, and my napkins. I totally see myself asking for this patty inside of another burger. Brad, this video is all over the place. I'm sorry. You saw me being all like put together and shit 5 minutes ago. And now I'm a train wreck. That's what you get when I'm getting off work. Oh, and now you get my cat. This is seriously so good. Burger King, you have outdone yourself. And I like that it's a special wrapping. Cause you know me and my marketing ass, like I like things being cute and shit. Oh, so when did I start cussing so much? Jesus. Anyway, how was your day? How you doing? What's poppin'? Also, I would like to thank Trisha Paytas, the girl, homegirl, for being a real adult and apologizing to Nikado and doing the well-deserved collab. Thank you, Trisha. You're the real deal. I'm gonna resubscribe to you because I totally unsubscribed to you from all that shit. That was rude. Rude! And now you're cool again. After this, I'm going to my bedroom, watching some Peter Mon. You better have uploaded a video because I don't go to bed without Peter Mon. Besides on the weekend. I guess he needs a day off to save his life. And, also, for anyone who's gonna mention the army t-shirt, no, it's not mine. No, I'm not a dependa. No, I'm not army wife. No, I don't think I wear my husband's rank. He just doesn't care about these t-shirts. He was gonna throw them away. I was like, hold up, these are comfy t-shirts, don't throw them away. He was like, you can have them. They're not even like in regulation anymore because they have to wear the black ones. So don't come for me because first, I don't give a fuck. Second, I don't give a fuck. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, I'm so tired now. I swear, we unboxed like 30 million boxes today. I'm over it. Next time though, I'll ask for no mayo because I'm not a big fan of the mayo, but that would be any burger. At least I'm off tomorrow. I still have stuff to do though. Oh. I have 2 orders on Etsy. So I really have to make them. But the problem is not like working on it. Sorry, it's the litter box. The problem is that it needs multiple days, you know, between layers. And I know I repeat myself, I've said this like so many times, but you will like work on the cup for 30 minutes and then you're done. There's nothing else to do. But then you know that the next day you have to keep working on it. You can't, it's not like something where you can sit down, do like 4 hours of it, and then you're done, you know? But that's why it's also very hard for me to put a price on my on my cups, because if I were to charge you guys per the hour, I would have to sell them a minimum of like, okay, for a certain cup, it takes me 30 minutes at a time, 4 times, so 2 hours. Well, a decent wage in my opinion, decent, not minimum, is $15 an hour. So $30, and that's without the cost of material. And that's not like if I'm a bit late, you know, like someone that would think they need 2 hours to do something, they're probably going to charge for 3 hours because you never get it done exactly under 2 hours, right? And so, yeah, it would be impossible. Like, I'm going to charge you guys like $30+, like not 30, that's just paying myself, and I know. There are some cups I am going to have to charge them more, I think so, because they really do take like triple the amount of time, and I can't justify spending so much days working on a cup, because also like it's not that I'm available every day to work on a cup, so I have to like be strategic about what I'm doing, because let's say I'm off on Tuesday, I'm not going to work on it on Monday night. Like, today's not Monday night, but, you know, tonight I'm not going to work on a cup for tomorrow, for then to be ready for, like, you know, whatever. If I was trying to make a living out of it, yeah, it would be smart to work whenever I can. But here, I decided I'm really not I'm not trying to make a living out of it. I just want to show tutorials, share my craft, and then if someone happens to want to buy it, it's available, it's there. But I just want to cover custom material in a little bit of my time, but really not all my time. And it's actually not necessarily my time that I want to be able to cover. It's being able to get more craft supply to be able to create more cups. Because so far, I haven't really made profit. I'm just reinvesting, if that makes sense. So it makes me happy to create stuff for you guys to enjoy. Because I'm not buying more craft material. I can't make videos, you know? So, I don't know where I was going with that, but that's it. That's what I had to say. These fries are cold now. Anyway, I think I'm done eating because the fries are cold, but I can save them for tomorrow to put them in the air fryer. So I'm going to do that. For the Whopper, Burger King, you the best. It tastes amazing. I feel like I just ate a real burger. I feel a bit cheated, a bit lied to, because did you really put a vegan burger? Because it tastes like the real shit. But I'm impressed. Like 20 million stars out of 5-star, hands down. I say let's do it again. Let's do it again whenever you feel like it. Let's do it again. Also, Burger King, I can already see this coming. A bunch of people are gonna come for breakfast or for whatever. They're gonna ask you, can you put the Impossible Patty inside my whatever burger, breakfast, whatever. Have the option to charge extra so we can do that. Because I'm telling you, starting tomorrow morning, people are gonna come. They're gonna be like, can I have this in my breakfast, whatever? Can I have this and this? Bruh, have the option available. Do not tell your customers no. Please, thank you very much. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Voilà, that's all I have to say. That being said, I'm gonna go watch some drama channels while I drink my giant soda. I still haven't touched. You guys have to see that it's real, so I'm gonna drink some of it. This is my favorite thing about America, it's the giant drinks. Anyway. And Coke from the soda machine really is the best thing in the universe, in my opinion, in my mind, in my world. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go, and yes, I'm gonna have another fry, so what? And I hope you guys have a good night, have a good day, have a good weekend, have a good Hanukkah, have a good Christmas, whatever it is. And if you have any requests of things you want me to try while my cat is fucking shit up around, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Say bye, Kiki. Say bye. Bye!